So for today's podcast, Dr. David Smith, superintendent, back with us again. And David, we just had a conversation about this week, but we want to go in depth just a little bit more. So grab-and-go lunches changing for tomorrow, which is Wednesday.
Yes.
And we're shifting. We have this partnership, which is very exciting, with AmeriQual, where we're going to be distributing 10 meals, 10 breakfast, 10 lunch at a time. So you want to just kind of talk us through that so people know what to expect when you come tomorrow.
Absolutely. So instead of grab-and-go bags,
Yes.
we're going to have grab-and-go boxes. So every student 18 and younger, doesn't matter where they go to school or anything, 18 and younger will be able to pick up one of these meal kits.
Yeah.
And each meal kit contains 10 bags, 10 MREs.
And that box you're looking into right now, that is the box they will get tomorrow per child.
Correct.
So be prepared for that. If you have three children, you're going to walk away with 3 of those boxes.
I think this weighs probably about 12 pounds. And then in addition, each of these meal kits, then we will also give 1.5 gallons of milk.
Okay.
So you'll have something in addition to this box to carry.
Right.
But
yeah, let's take a look. What have you got there?
Inside will be 10 kits like this that will contain not only a breakfast for the day, but also a lunch.
Okay.
This particular one has Apple Jacks, Capri Sun, and there's some, it looks like a sweet potato grape smoothie, cheese spread, and some other things that I can't see, but you'll have 10 of these bags then that will be your meals for the day.
And those bags, too, something that's unique about this, you're going to see some name brands on there. You know, it's not a baggie of carrot sticks that we've put together, a turkey sandwich. These are actually items you'd see at the grocery store.
Right. AmeriQual is a premier food distributor and packaging entity. And so they do, I think in maybe a 3-week period of time, they did 15 million MREs. That could have been three weeks, 3 months. But, you know, so cheddar cheese crackers, Mullins applesauce are examples of water and other meal kits. We've got creamy peanut butter and strawberry jam, cinnamon bun, and then this would be wheat bread or wheat snack bread for your peanut butter and jelly spread. So
everything you've need to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich put in front of you.
So, you know, and this is not the entire contents of another package, but just to give you some examples. So really thrilled with the partnership. As I said, you know, these will be good for 2 weeks for our kids.
Okay.
And in this one box, also 1.5 gallons of milk.
Okay, yeah, and I think it's important while we're finishing up here, if you could leave that out, because that's a thing we want people to know. First of all, when and where, so go to the EVSC website, but really the locations, including the newer satellite locations, remain the same. So if you've been going to a particular school, you can go to that one too, just like you always have. If you want to change locations, go to the website, 11:30 to 12:30. Be prepared. That's what you're going to walk away with tomorrow, and then we're going to do it again in 2 weeks, so that people then will have another supply of food.
Correct.
And this will, I think it's important to say too, this will replace our former schedule of the Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So
correct.
Plan ahead, so you're not going to be coming again then on Friday to get this.
Right.
Okay.
This
Dr. Smith.
2 weeks.
All right. Thank you for coming in. Thanks for showing this. Really fascinating. And once again, we certainly thank AmeriQual for this great partnership.
Yes, we do. And thank you.
All right. Have a great day.